Proper storage of hand tools and equipment. What is 5S? It is a structured program to systematically achieve total organization, cleanliness, and standardization in the workplace. 5S Fundamentals. It is the name of a workplace organization method that uses a list of 5 Japanese words.
Seiri, seiton, seiso, seiketsu on shitsuka.
5S is a system for organizing spaces so work can be performed efficiently, effectively, and safely. This system focuses on putting everything where it belongs and keeping the workplace clean, which makes it easier for people to do their jobs without wasting time or risking injury. Seiri or sort. Eliminate whatever is not needed by separating needed tools, parts, and instructions from unneeded materials. The purpose is for tidiness. To ensure that everything left in the workplace is related to work. How to sort things. Decide what you need. Remove unnecessary clutter. Throw away all rubbish and related materials in the workplace. All tools and materials must be classified and stored. Remove items which are broken, unusable or occasionally used. Seaten or set in order. Organize whatever remains by neatly arranging and identifying parts and tools for ease of use. The purpose is for orderliness. To eliminate time wasted in obtaining the necessary items when in the middle of a task. How to set things in order. Once you have eliminated all the unneeded items, turn to the leftover items. Set everything in proper place for quick retrieval, and storage. Arrange tools, parts, and instructions in such a way that the most frequently used items are the easiest and quickest to locate. Seiso or shine. Clean the work area by conducting a cleanup campaign. The purpose is for cleanliness. To know what goes where and ensure that everything is where it belongs. How to shine things. Clean the workspace and all the equipment and keep it clean, tidy, and organized. Identify and eliminate causes of dirt and grime, remove the need to clean. At the end of each shift, clean the working area and be sure everything is restored to its place. We have to remember everyone should be overseer. Stow as you go. Saiketsu or standardize. Schedule regular cleaning and maintenance by conducting sorting, set in order, and shine daily. The purpose is for the quality. To define the standards by which personnel must measure and maintain cleanliness. How to standardize. Simplify the way of maintaining cleanliness. Develop procedures, schedules, practices. Continue to assess the use and disposal of items. All employees doing the same job should be able to work in any situation with the same tools that are in the same location in every station. Shitsuke or sustain. Make 5S a way of life by forming the habit of always following the first 4 S's. To repeat what has been accomplished. The purpose is for the maintenance. How to sustain the 4S. Maintain and review standards. Once the previous 4 S's have been established, they become the new way to operate. Maintain focus on this way and do not allow a gradual decline back to the old ways. While thinking about the new way, also think of better ways. When an issue arises such as a suggested improvement, a new way of working, a new tool or a new output requirement, review the first 4S and make changes as appropriate. To summarize 5S methodology. 1. Sort, when in doubt, move it out, red type technique. 2. Set in order, a place for everything and everything in its place. 3. Shine, clean and inspect or inspect through cleaning. 4. Standardize, make up the rules, follow and enforce them. 5. Sustain, make a part of daily work and it becomes a habit. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. God bless.